Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. For now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don't defeat PSV 1-0 for the match they played yesterday, and a goal from Granit Xhaka and I set to scores. That goal came in around 70-71 minutes, and then Granit Xhaka just scored from the pull-out. So Tomiyasu give him perfect pull-out about Nakam once, you don't even waste time when the ball enter. Now we'll look at how the match they go. For the first half, Arsenal pepper PSV. Arsenal played them like PSV no really get any spectacular chances. Like a lot of us we talk, so we won't see the performances of Cody Gakpo. We could see how the guy take the play because we don't hear his name well you get. So this match was like an audition for him. So the guy no come play very well, he no perform the way we expected. So Tomiyasu come mark him out. So the guy no get many chances. They just get maybe one or two pockets of chances here and there, but at the end of the day, we scattered them for that first half. Even second half, we controlled the match. At least we were in control of proceedings. The fans were perfect. Van Nistelrooy was no even expecting to happen because at least they said we even come outside. I don't say that defensive play they won't complete. PSV one no from all starts now attacking football. No wonder that they ask Van Nistelrooy from media set to say whether I go play attacking football, but I say so you can never tell because they will ask whether I go play 5 man behind the ball. He say so you can never tell because with the firepower Arsenal has. But I still expect him to come play attacking football. I don't know that defense. Baba won't call defense. Well, at the end of the day, Arsenal win. So Arsenal done the top the group stage. We have 12 points because we don't win our 4 games. We have 12 points. PSV did 7 points. Get then Bodo Glimt and the rest they like 4 points. Get. So now we and PSV I believe say will qualify. But anything can still happen because no say PSV safe still has good at Bodo Glimt artificial tough because Bodo Glimt don't go PSV home. They played 1-1. They played draw. So now if PSV go that Bodo Glimt home, nobody don't win there. Only Arsenal can win there in 15 European games. So PSV will be the 16th for that place. They were expecting Bodo Glimt to win. So that day I go make sure I watch the match. Man, see how they go survive for that field because this is not a young squad. They know they use for that kind of artificial pitch you get. Well, at the end of the day, Arsenal win. So congratulations, guys, we won. Now away from that, so Gabriel Agbonlahor will be one of the pundits after I watch the match, watch the way we Arsenal they play. So Baba come they bring you a suggestion. For the talk say Arsenal need to sign Zaha. Wilfred Zaha say Arsenal should sign him. And Baba come give out some kind of reasons why Arsenal need to sign him. He say Zaha, the person will be saying in love Arsenal, that is number one. Arsenal supposed to don't sign him in the past, but Arsenal no can sign him because they feel say in they too old. That was why they went for a younger Nicolas Pepe. That one no work. So back when they talk say even last season, since Zaha scored 14 goals. This season, he scored 5 goals already. He's a menace to defenders. Say this is the kind of players where Arsenal need, and Arsenal is the perfect opportunity for Zaha to play in Europe before he go retire for football. He's around 29 years old. So some people will talk say he's 29, but he's not 20. He's not old like that. Granit Xhaka is 30. He's still giving you the best of football. So Baba they talk say this Zaha can still give you like 3 good years of football. We'll be saying now go enjoy, now go like the way the guy they play. Imagine it, like I said this yesterday. Imagine a team where you have a Zaha, you have a Martinelli, you have a Saka. Maybe they can't do for the starting you get. So if they spoiled with choices, that is the same thing champions have. Go Man City, if they look at bench with a 4, they're going to call one killer. They put assassin. That's the way it's supposed to be. So we need all these best players, and the guy don't go cost much. If we say one sign this guy now for January because he has this is his final year. Now, in final year he did like this now for Crystal Palace. Don't give him contract extension 1 million times. He say no once because in the past he don't even tell them say he won't come out. They don't agree. They'll be like say they hold a ransom there. So the only way for to escape now, play Champions League or play Europa League or do something else in Europe, now to come out as a free agent. But if you come out as a free agent, many people eyes now will come to end. So the best way Arsenal will do that make them go for him for January. 50 million pounds will give you that guy get. Otherwise Crystal Palace won't lose them. Now Crystal Palace for January, the reason say they won't buy Bertrand Diaz, and I believe say why they won't buy that striker now because they know say then they're likely to lose Wilfred Zaha. So it is better for them to lose him in January, collect some money, than to lose him at the end of the summer and then don't collect anything. Nobody say that they go Europa League or UEFA Europa Conference League or Champions League. So what's the thing? And the team will say they will hardly go relegation because they have a very good squad. So So what do you think about Arsenal buying Zaha with wetin Gabriel Agbola or the advisors? And nobody Gabriel Agbola or they talk this thing. Even Repal herself don't come outside and talk say Arsenal should sign Zaha. Say him like Zaha. And let's I even forget, Gabriel Agbola will say Zaha tell am say they frustrated for that Crystal Palace because don't tell where the guy they talk say he won't go. So Repal on that they say make Arsenal go sign the guy. Say him personally. Say he like the guy. Say the guy na one man riot. One defender know the marker. You get. And the guy get bites mad. You get. The guy good die. You get. So na person say we will sign am, we go enjoy am. Imagine say na Zaha will sign. Before that time we won't sign Pepe. We no go dey where we dey now. We don't pass this. We don't dey go Champions League because the guy only him. If you watch maybe Crystal Palace versus Liverpool versus Man City, only him dey cause damage. So if we get that kind of player, I go far. Away from that, so Gianfranco Zola don come outside. They won Arsenal and Man City. Say make them dey very very careful. If they like me, they go dey underrate people like Chelsea. Say Chelsea, they be title contenders. Say Chelsea no call your come play. The Chelsea self won't make sure say them win the title because even they hear wetin pundits they talk, many people, media houses, nobody they even they mention Chelsea near the title challenge. You get people they look down on them. So Baba the para say if you look down on them, now your own detriment be that to say as they did like this. They are aiming to go and win the title. Well, whether that's true, whether that's lie, people just the watch. Maybe Chelsea first play Manchester United, I don't know whether they go help us beat Man U, or whether Man U go beat them. Sure, my favorite result for that match will be draw. Maybe they just play 1-1 or 0-0. It will favor me. So after the match, they call the interview Mikel Arteta, come ask and say, I didn't see the match. So Babaka say, well, say the team played well. Say the sweet team, they say now officially we have qualified onto the next stage. But now the next battle now, we can make sure say we top the group stage. We don't qualify, no mean say we don't top the group stage. You get. So we'll get 2 games. We'll play PSV away, then still play Zurich. We'll play Zurich. Anything will happen. The hell. Then they expect we'll kill Zurich, but at the same time, we still kill that PSV. But it depends because if PSV don't go play Bodo Glimt, can't lose. Then everything does scatter. No need again. You get. Now we say we don't already top the group. If they don't lose against Bodo Glimt or drop points there, that means we don't qualify because we are gapping them with 5 points. So we need to, if we win 1 or we lose 1, then them can't win their next 2 matches. The fix will gap us. Get. So that's what it be. Or we lose our own 2. No, what we need now just draw. Just 1 draw. Get. We just draw 1 because on goals I think we have better goals than them. But I don't know because they beat Zurich 5-0, 5-1. Well, the best thing we say, Mo shall no lose. Mo just win 1 of our matches. Just win 1, don't top. That's the thing to avoid any permutation. Then if they can't go with the glimpse, anything will happen there and then savvy. Or I'm say it sure me die say we go top the group. So we forget all those Nigerian permutation. If Mr. A win, Mr. B go do this one, Mr. C do this one, all those just back me onto the next news. But the call they ask Arteta about Granit Xhaka. Say I ain't see the goal with Granit Xhaka score and with Granit Xhaka they play now. So Babaka thought say in they very very happy, like extremely happy for this guy wey they call Granit Xhaka, like the guy they enjoy in football career now. You remember when he just enter Arsenal, this guy call him say he no wan stay Arsenal again. That time in relationship with the fans and the club, he don't turn down, he dey sour. So he come reason am say just give me 6 months, abeg, stay with me, I need you bro, stay with me 6 months. If I don't turn everything around, then you can go. So you can't tell family say okay, make them chill, make them stay. They remember say the guy don ready to go back to Borussia Mönchengladbach. He won't come on for Arsenal. But now him won't bring him back, say calm down. No, just do things. Look at today now, fans they sing a song. We've got Granit Xhaka we've got. They sing a song. The guy got the fall, give that in love sign. Guys, they enjoy football now. So it be when you do with the right environment, with the right people who will support you. Can you imagine who expected that Granit Xhaka go wear this arms band again? The captain arms band. Nobody expected it. With what he do that last time, give them the F finger. Nobody expected it, but thank God the way things turn around. Our Gas Poet will be one of our senior man for the media space. But don't come outside the talk say make Arsenal fans still give Arteta more patience. So with more patience, say this Arteta, he go win trophy for this Arsenal because one good thing wey dey go for am be say he learn work for the right place. Even though some people they criticize am say as he learn the work, he no go practice wetin he learn for somewhere else before he can take a big project like Arsenal. But now we are reaping the fruits of his labor and our labor and everybody will invest in him and the team because he learns the job from a proven manager that wins with a proven blueprint. You get? So that blueprint, now himself can carry the set Arsenal straight. They use that same blueprint Now we dey compete with Man City. Man City now give us manager. Man City now give us players wey strengthen us. Now we don turn around dey compete with them. You know say how that thing dey very very ironic. So at the end of the day, we dey very very happy with where we are. So just more patience and anything can happen. We can win the Europa League. It's possible. Still on the media setting, they come dey ask Arteta about Bukayo Saka, so whether the guy don get injury. So Arteta come say, no be say he get injury, but in the limp, but say he go dey okay, Because na normal thing, like Baba Sato, who then Baba Sato talk that thing, I be na Oga Joka. We talk say if you dey play, okay na Oga Joka, say if you dey play ball normal, say you go get bruises. Say it is normal in football. Say if you no get injury, two of them even dey talk themselves. Say if you don't get injured, maybe when you reach out, but talk say when you reach out, if you can't feel the pain, if you don't feel them that time. So that's why it be as a day now, maybe you don't feel the pain. If you can't reach out now, hey, because you feel one kind of sharp pain, or later for training and all the physios there, they will treat them. Because I don't watch one video going, we say like one man they give Saka one kind of powerful massage for a muscle when it laps, back, as in all those kind of things, and then they make sure say all these are players they in top shape. It's just in the limp now. Check the next match against Southampton. That guy will fly 100 km/h. So that's what it just be. I'm a surprise. The England FA don't charge Arsenal for disorderly conduct of their players. Say the way Arsenal players they react when referee Chris Kavanagh give that penalty against Leeds. See the way they rush him and they para for us. Say, they tell us go look VAR, Baba go look VAR. They whine me, go look VAR. So that's why the man called the first mistake. No worry, man go look VAR. Go look VAR, come cancel the penalty, come rescind the red card, come say red card, cancel. You get, but the FA don't like the way they gather the guy. If they don't gather, I ain't gonna change that level now. Now, but the Baba Sato they talk say if to say na when Baba Sato they talk and be Emmanuel himself say if to say na Granit Xhaka he go don come out there, they go dressing room straight, no even argue. Gabriel say, Baba, I don't do anything. Like, this guy first push me. Oh, yeah, go check VAR. They rush the referee say, Baba, go check VAR. We no go agree. Go check VAR. Go check VAR. I can't go check VAR. So the FA the para say Arsenal go pay fine. Say the way the players say do no be so. Okay, I want me the FA do. Now my own question be that how the players will take proof to the referee say na Bamford na first push Gabriel Magalhaes. If nobody do the crowd the referee, they very aggressive and violent. No what me 90-something minutes when they give opponents penalty, maybe they equalize, scatter our unbeaten. They whine me. So the talk say Arsenal get until Monday to go appeal the decision. So whether Arsenal go appeal am or they don't go appeal am, I don't know, but they just pay the fine. Let the matter just go. For those who know they aware, so Arsenal don't they interested in signing Evan Ndika. Evan Ndika na centre back who they play for Eintracht Frankfurt. This guy is a left-sided centre back, so Arsenal they plan to go for him for January. And the major reason we make the one go for this guy be say the mistakes, the errors we Gabriel Magalhaes they make. But I go think say Arteta know the see am, say the Gaspar know the see am, but they see all these things again. They did like 10 steps ahead of us. So they look say for Arsenal setup, we don't really get a competitive left-sided centre back who will provide competition for Gabriel Magalhaes. That's why the guy they get away with anything. You know, say no matter what happen, they will still play him. The left-sided centre back who even buy. Somebody even reminded me yesterday in the comment section. Left-sided centre back who buy and Trusty. That one we don't send them on loan to Birmingham. That was the learn work. We buy him from America. We like Colorado Rapids. We buy him, come send them out on loan. We don't assist money with the learn work. Evan Ndika at 23 years old, he play for Eintracht Frankfurt. He has played for them for 153 times. He helped them win Europa League last season. They beat Barcelona. They beat West Ham. They beat a lot of good sides before they won that competition. So the guy is very, very experienced. He's even taller than Gabriel Magalhaes. Gabriel Magalhaes is 1.9. He's 1.92. The guy is tall, young, as in agile. The guy good guy. He get massive presence. You get. So even BILD will be a reputable media organization for Germany. The comment side they talk say Arsenal can even get the guy for less than 20 million pounds. You get. So but to do it, the guy take win Europa League. Maybe that value if it don't go up, I don't know. But you know would they that expensive. You know say we want to replace Gabriel Magalhaes, but at least when you have a competition, you go sit upright to get. Look at what they happen for Chelsea. The former number one don't be number two now. Do you know that Edward Mendy is now the number two keeper? Kepa Arrizabalaga now be the first choice. Mendy before na Kepa be first choice. So Kepa can't do mistake. They can't go buy Mendy. Mendy can't take over. Now Mendy can't start to do mistake. They do some kind of silly errors. The new coach na Graham Potter don't reinstall Kepa now. Kepa don't they play very well. They keep clean sheets. They never lose since Graham Potter took over. Now Kepa they keep. The Mendy now win Champions League there for Benjamin. That is what competition for places can give you. If we bring this Evan Ndika now, there's a chance say the guy go just overtake regardless. You see the way Ben White now they play right back, him dey very lucky. Say him dey versatile. If they say no dey versatile, him go dey chop bench like Rob Holding, go dey chop the bench. Tomiyasu go dey play there, go be Tomiyasu and Cedric. Then go dey change that right back position, but because God bless him, he can dey versatile. So that is why he was able to go and play that place. So I don't know, by January they say Arsenal won't get the guy. You get, so now the London Evening Standard now even bring this news to us. Let us know, see what Arsenal won't do, because Arteta really knows we need a left-sided centre back to provide competition. So let's see how things go. My prayer is say make them buy the guy, so we'll just get squad depth for that defense right away. At the same time, they're going to talk about Bellerin. You know, since when Bellerin come up for Arsenal, this guy never starts one game. Now only once he starts for Barcelona. Since then, he never starts any game again. That's what they talk about, going to a big team. He did for Arsenal. They see some kind of chances they play, but if you say you don't do good enough, everybody say why they don't see some kind of players they say they come up for Arsenal, they'll go on that place. If you don't see game time play, look at Sambi Lokonga. They talk say okay, one go join another big team. There's possibility to say the guy will go join big team now. Shimbaka no go play. So that's what life be. So wherever he did, be humble. That's why they go say make Saka go play for Liverpool. Let him go and join Liverpool. The guy will just go there, go sleep for Benjamin. Who won't go bench? Now Salah won't go bench. Salah will say your club just bench him. Just one day just bench him because in the lack of form. You just bench him small against Rangers for Champions League. They come bring him for second half. The guy comes inside and scored the fastest hat-trick in Champions League. Back. Within 7 minutes. As a response to stimulus. So let club don't say, Baba, no bench me next time again. We know what they do. So now so players they do. So if you know what yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and see that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Now get out.